Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is uh, uh, what do your parents want from you? Okay, there are three piles, and which pile you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going towards the pile number one. For those who choose the pile number one with this crystal Mouth of India, your first card is your parents want you to be two of water. They want the great relationship with you, the perfect relationship with you, or they are telling you that go and be a good husband, good life partner towards your soulmate or your life partner, or maybe they want you to be a good boy or girl of their and obey them. Okay, a relationship that contains to grow closer, forgiveness, the positive solution of a conflict. Yes, इसने बंद हो जा okay. Okay, they want you to forgive others and a relationship that contains to grow closer, the positive relationship of a conflict. I think you get that. Okay, page of source, that is clarified by page of source. What is like this? um, they want you to be not like a child, like don't like a child person, a wise person. They want you to be a wise person, to plan the great planner, and to think thoroughly, and don't lie to others. Okay, okay, don't be so uh, stubborn. Okay, good person. And with this card they want you to be egoless person. Okay, don't hurt yourself by your ego, or your loved ones by your ego. And this is a devil card. Yes, and don't hurt others, don't block others. Let them do their work, and you do your own work. Okay, and don't restrict others, don't lie to others. Okay, be a good person, be a good boy or girl. Okay, King of Cups. Okay, with this card upside down, they want you to love everybody, but not as that you give your all what you have to others. Okay, love others, but not like a fool. Like fool, love others, or don't cheat with them. Okay, the life experience. Okay, this is a tower card. Yes, this is a tower card. And with this card they want you to have no disaster in your life, no bad things, no uh, not they want you to be the successful person, not the loser, and happy person in the life. And I think for some of you they want you to be marry someone, and maybe you are in love with some other person, and they think that this person is not good for you, or they are the cheater, and that's why they want you to leave that person, to forget that person, and go towards someone else, to marry someone else. Okay, or they want you to be a successful person, have all luxury of life in life with you, like that. Okay, then you have the three of water, happy life, having enjoying time, the time of happiness, abundance, a celebration, a wedding, graduation, or birth announcement. The need to have more fun. Yes, they want you to have a happy life, um, enjoy the life, whatever life gives you or not give you. You have to be happy in your life, happy person in the life. And with this card I think they want you to leave the other person's thoughts, their memories or the bad harsh thoughts, desires towards other, harsh desires towards others. um, okay, uh, don't go after money so much. Okay, think with heart, not mind. And okay, definitely you have someone in your life and your parents want to uh, you to leave that person. Be independent, experienced, realistic, witty. Okay, if this person is not giving you what you want, the happiness, the love, then you have to leave that person. Objective decision making. Okay, clearing away all that no longer serves you, seeing the humor in a situation. Yes, what is good for you, only do that. Be witty to that person. If this person is not good person, they are lying to you, they are cheating you, then leave that person. And don't miss that person. When you leave that person, don't miss that person. Okay, they want you to have a happy home life or happy life. I want to I want some to pull some more cards for you. Okay, lock. Your first card is lock. I think that with this slip or card, you had locked your way towards other persons. You have locked your way towards happiness, and your parents know that, and they are telling you to unlock that box of your happiness, of your desires. Okay, and with this waves or water, love, trustable, emotional. Okay, they want you to love the person that is trustable, that is good for you, and leave the other person if you have other person, or they are telling you just do it. Okay, if you will give much attention to people, they will behave badly. Yes, if you will give much attention to people, they will behave badly. Don't give much attention towards others. Okay, so below the sun, the time when power will be available to you for positive change in your life, abundance. Yes, your good time is coming, and your parents want you to enjoy that time. Be a happy person. Night, something happening in night, something good for you, something good is starting in some night time, or maybe you are going to date someone in the night. The rainbow bridge leading from Escarza to Midgard, happiness, beautiful. Okay, universe is letting you, sending you towards someone who is good for you, who will make you happy, and be valuable and not available. Yes, be valuable, not available. This is for you. Okay, with this Rankar, goddess of the sea, wife of a Gaia, person who can control the storm of your life. Yes, I think your wife or husband can control the darkness in your life. They can finish that darkness. They is like the sun person, and they are going to finish the darkness in your life. And with this, if you can't find your way to home, you are pointing a very important decision that needs to be made. So listen to your gut and do it. If you are constantly seeing that you are finding your home, or you are away from your home and you want to find it, then this is for dreams. Okay, and you have both point okay, you are not doing the something that is necessary for you, like marriage or trusting other persons, and enjoying the life, luxury, little happiness in the life, and that is okay. With this praise queen of Isaiah, her powers of prophecy or short range, she can only see what will happen within 24 hours, give or take. She can see the future, but in limit of 24 hours limited. Okay. I think your intuition will tell you something. When this time is near, your intuition will tell you that this is going to happen. Cersei, okay, I think you had someone in your life in the past that that person is not good for you. They betray you or do something bad to you, and you are now afraid of all persons. Don't lose your hope. Okay, be a brave person. Move forward towards someone else, and forgive and forget that person that cheated you or do something bad towards you. This is what your parents want from you. My pile number one, if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to know if you want to see my new videos, so you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get the new videos at the time, and you surely get some advice from there. Okay, with lots of luck, with lots of wishes. Why I'm going to the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this blue color earring, your first card is Lover's card. Your parents want you to be a lovable person, or to love others, love someone or love them. Be a good person. Intimate relationship, carefully weigh your decision, good health. Okay. And Seven of Pentacles, they want to do something over here. Maybe they want you to marry someone, or do hard work, or maybe they want you to do something at this time, so you can get the profit of that out of that situation in the future. And with this Queen of Earth, thoughtful, creative, warm, sensible. Be a thoughtful person, creative person, warm person, sensible person. Make time for those around you. Take a sensible approach. Make time for those around you, your parents, about your parents or your family. Deal with challenges in kind and understanding manner. Or be a kind person. Kind person, the person that cares about others, that love others, and give others, help others, that kind of person. And with this once again Queen of Earth, clarify the Queen of Earth. So once again they want you to be like that person, the person that shine, that give their light to others, the person that the person that help others, and take care of your parents, your family, your loved ones. Okay. And with this King of Air, they want you to be brilliant person, impartial person, professional person, diplomatic person, and speak your mind with confidence. Seek out professional advice, balance mental and emotional considerations. Okay, they want you to be a brave person. If you want to do something, don't hesitate, go and do it. Okay. Be a brave person, be like a king, like okay. If you want to if you want to leave some person or someone cut from your life, then do it. Don't be hesitate, don't be afraid of anything. And yes, definitely some person, I think Five of Swords, you want to win something, some person's mind, some person's heart, and that's why they are telling you that do it. If you want to win something, do it. Don't don't wait for something, just go and do it. Okay, don't hesitate. With the Magician card, okay, Magician card, you are ready, you have the resources or the ability to manifest them. Life is magical. Okay, you are manifesting something, you want something over there and there and there, and they are telling you to go and get whatever you want. We are with you. Don't hesitate, don't scare, don't afraid, that they are with you, and you are able to do it. You are able to manifest anything, you are able to um, have anything. Okay, and with this King of Pentacles upside down, I think you are not that professional or practical person. You are a little bit shy. That's why they are telling you to do it. Be a practical person, be a generous person, be a professional person, be what is this, be a responsible person. If you think that someone is your responsibility, or something, some job is your responsibility, then do it. Don't hesitate, don't leave it. Okay, Six of Water, and memories from your history or childhood issues regarding children, romanticizing the past. If you have some children issues, then solve it, and they want you, your parents want you to don't forget your past, don't leave your past behind. Take your past with you. Okay, your friends, your relatives, your parents, take them with you, and enjoy the lives, enjoy the life. Okay, romanticizing the past. Yes, maybe some person is from your past is better for you to marry them. Okay, and the World card, and this is upside down. You don't, I think you don't want to go over that person, towards that person. You don't like that person, or you are afraid to go towards them. They had done something bad to you, but your parents are telling you that go and enjoy that time. Don't be shy, don't be hesitate, don't afraid of anything. Go and just enjoy. Okay, this is the reading for you, my pile number 2. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my new videos, then you can watch my you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get the new videos at the time, and with lots of good wishes, with lots of good wishes, with lots of love. Bye. I am going towards the reading number 3. For those who choose the golden colored Matha Bindiya, your first card is 9 of Air, expecting the worst, self-fulfilling prophecies, sleepless nights. Okay, 9 of Wands. Okay, some thing is happened to you. You are going through a bad time, and your parents want you to think about that, and take a step for that situation, and be brave, plan about that things. Don't take it so easy. This is not the situation that you can take it easy. Don't take it easy. Okay, and with this 9 of Wands, you are not I think you are not protecting yourself over here about this situation, and you want to leave this situation as it is, or you don't want to protect yourself, and these things are hurting you. Okay, and 2 of Earth, you are in some kind of critical situation, and you have to decide what is good for you, what is not, and you are disbalanced at this time. You are not able to decide what is good for you. Too much going on at once, then need to make a decision. Consider a more playful approach. Okay, okay, the need to make a decision. Consider a more approachable force. Yes, get help from others, some advice from others if you want, and be a brave person, like a Knight of Wands. If you like someone, if you want to do something, if you love someone, or if you want to do something, then go and do it. Don't hesitate, don't stop over here, do it. uh, don't afraid of anything, and I think this is not as bad situation as you think. And with this page of water, intuitive, sensitive, artistic, friendly, they want you to be like that person. Intuitive, sensitive, artistic, friendly. A new person enters your life. A relationship begins a new phase. Heightened psychic abilities. Yes, they are telling you that they are going to um, they want you to marry someone, and this person is good for you. Don't hesitate, don't afraid, go and marry that person. And with this Fool card, go and do it. The universe is telling you that go and do it. That is good for you. Don't hesitate, don't afraid, take a step. Okay. And with strength, you need a strength. They your parents are telling you to have a strength to do it. And the 11 card, twin flame card, 11 11 12 flame cards, and you need a strength to do it. Do it. Okay. Okay, you are going to have some messages or proposal from someone, and your word is changing. And I think you are going to have a home with that person. That person, I think this is a Leo person. This card is for Leo. And you are riding the tiger, or maybe you are okay, you are ruling over that person. That person is very brave, very uh, tough person. uh, Great inner strength, release harsh judgments, forgiveness and compassion. Yes, do this. Release harsh judgments, forgiveness and compassion towards that person. And they will be good for you. You are going to have a happy time with that person. That person is good person. That person will take you to your happiness. Okay. With this 10 of water, oh, this card is upside down. I think you are not thinking that this person is good for you, and this will do anything for you, or they will love you. I think you are thinking that. Okay. And that's why you are afraid to move towards that person, and you are very undecidable person at this moment, because you think that this person is not in love with you. Okay. And with this hermit card, you are at this time alone in your thoughts, and searching for your happiness, your goodness. And but the card says that this person is good. I want to clarify that card. I am going to clarify. Yes, definitely. You are thinking that this person is not in love with you. Maybe this person is Scorpio. This is the Scorpio card. And maybe you have done a lot of work, or you are searching that person, about that person. And or maybe you are talking to that person, and that person is their behavior towards you is some like a rude person, or they are not talking to you, or maybe they are too shy to talk to you, or they are not thinking that this is the right time to talk to you before wedding. Some places, some countries, the person are not talking to each other before marriage. Okay. And I think this is the situation. You are thinking that this person is not good for you. But these cards are telling you that this person is good. Take a step, take a leap of step. Don't afraid. There's something good for you in your future. This is what I got for you, my pile number 3. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. If you want to see my new videos, then go and check my then you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all my new videos at the time. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will meet each other again.